Hello everyone, and welcome back to Auto Luxury Channel, the place where we celebrate the most fascinating vehicles from automotive history. If you enjoy classic cars, vintage trucks, and legendary utility vehicles, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community of automotive enthusiasts. Today, we are taking a closer look at a true British workhorse, the 1960 Morris J4 van. While it may not have been the fastest or most glamorous vehicle on the road, the Morris J4 earned a reputation for reliability, practicality, and rugged service. For many businesses, tradesmen, and delivery companies throughout the United Kingdom, this van became an essential part of daily life. Introduced in 1960 by Morris Motors, the J4 was designed to meet the growing demand for a practical commercial vehicle. Britain was experiencing rapid economic growth during the post-war years, and businesses needed dependable transportation for goods and services. The Morris J4 arrived at exactly the right time, offering a simple and durable solution. At first glance, the Morris J4 featured a distinctive forward control design. The driver sat close to the front of the vehicle, maximizing cargo space while keeping the overall length manageable. Its boxy shape may seem basic by modern standards, but every aspect of the design was focused on utility and efficiency. The flat panels and straightforward construction made the van affordable to produce and easy to repair. One of the most recognizable features of the J4 was its tall and spacious cargo area. Businesses appreciated the generous storage capacity, which allowed them to transport everything from parcels and tools to food supplies and equipment. The wide rear doors made loading and unloading simple, helping workers save valuable time during busy schedules. Power for the early Morris J4 came from a reliable four-cylinder engine derived from passenger car technology of the period. While performance was modest, the engine provided enough power for urban deliveries and regional transport duties. More importantly, it was known for durability and ease of maintenance. Mechanics across Britain were familiar with the engine, ensuring that repairs could be completed quickly and affordably. Driving the Morris J4 required a different experience compared to modern vans. The steering was heavier, and the cabin was basic, with few comforts. However, drivers appreciated the excellent visibility provided by the large windshield and upright seating position. This made navigating narrow city streets and crowded delivery routes much easier. Interior. The interior was built with practicality in mind. There were no luxury materials or advanced electronics. Instead, the focus was on durability and functionality. The dashboard contained only the essential instruments needed for everyday operation. Everything was designed to withstand years of hard work in demanding conditions. One reason for the J4's popularity was its versatility. Numerous body styles and configurations were available. Businesses could choose panel vans, minibuses, specialized service vehicles, and custom conversions. This flexibility allowed the Morris J4 to serve a wide variety of industries, from postal services and utility companies to small family-owned businesses. Throughout the 1960s and into the 1970s, the Morris J4 became a familiar sight on British roads. It delivered packages, transported workers, supported public services, and helped countless companies operate efficiently. Its dependable nature earned the trust of owners who needed a vehicle capable of handling daily workloads without complaint. The J4 also gained recognition through its use by government organizations and major commercial fleets. Large operators valued the van's simplicity because it reduced operating costs and minimized downtime. For many fleet managers, reliability was far more important than speed or style, and the Morris J4 delivered exactly what they needed. Although newer and more advanced vans eventually entered the market, the J4 remained in production for many years. This longevity demonstrated just how successful the design had become. Vehicles do not stay in production for extended periods unless they satisfy customer needs, and the Morris J4 clearly achieved that goal. Today, surviving examples of the 1960 Morris J4 are cherished by collectors and enthusiasts. Vintage commercial vehicles have become increasingly appreciated because they represent an important part of transportation history. While classic sports cars often receive most of the attention, working vehicles like the J4 tell the story of everyday life, commerce, and industry. Restored Morris J4 vans frequently appear at classic vehicle shows throughout the United Kingdom. Enthusiasts admire their unique styling, historical significance, and nostalgic appeal. Many people remember seeing these vans on the streets during their childhood, making them a powerful reminder of a different era. The simple design that once made the J4 an economical work vehicle now makes it an interesting collectible. Owners enjoy preserving these vans and sharing their history with new generations of automotive fans. Every restored example helps keep an important chapter of British motoring heritage alive. Looking back, the 1960 Morris J4 van was never intended to be a luxury vehicle or a high-performance machine. Instead, it was designed to work hard every day, and it accomplished that mission exceptionally well. Its durability, practicality, and reliability made it one of the most respected commercial vehicles of its time. The Morris J4 reminds us that automotive history is not only about glamorous sports cars and expensive luxury sedans. It is also about the hard-working vehicles that supported businesses, connected communities, and helped economies grow. Few vehicles represent that spirit better than the dependable Morris J4. Thank you for watching Auto Luxury Channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the history of the remarkable 1960 Morris J4 van. If you love classic vehicles and automotive history, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with fellow enthusiasts. Let us know in the comments which classic van you would like us to feature next. Until next time, keep your passion for automotive history alive and enjoy the ride. Did you like this feature?